Picture this: you've been convicted of a crime, but instead of a grim prison cell, you're escorted to a facility that resembles a luxury resort. Gourmet meals, spa-like amenities, and personal trainers await you. These aren't scenes from a movie, they're real-life experiences in the luxury prisons reserved for the ultra-rich. Luxury prisons, also known as five-star jails, are a niche but growing phenomenon. These facilities prioritize comfort and rehabilitation over punishment, offering amenities that include private rooms, en-suite bathrooms, and recreational activities like tennis and yoga. In some countries, inmates have access to fully equipped gyms, libraries, and even meditation classes. The philosophy behind such prisons is to reduce stress and improve mental health, which supporters argue leads to better outcomes post-incarceration. The concept of luxury prisons isn't entirely new. Historically, wealthy prisoners have often received better treatment. In medieval times, nobles imprisoned for political reasons were often held in comfortable quarters, sometimes in their own castles. Modern luxury prisons began emerging in the late 20th century, primarily in countries with advanced rehabilitation programs or flexible legal systems. Today, they are a symbol of the growing gap between the privileged and the average offender. The amenities offered in luxury prisons often rival those of upscale hotels. Some examples include Bastøy Prison, Norway. Inmates live in cottages, cook their meals, and work on a farm. They enjoy recreational activities like skiing and fishing. HMP Adwell, Scotland, focuses on education and skill building, with comfortable living spaces designed to feel like home. Chambellan Prison, Switzerland, offers spacious cells with private bathrooms and windows overlooking serene landscapes. These amenities are designed to create a humane environment, but they also spark debate about whether such conditions undermine the punitive aspect of incarceration. Luxury doesn't come cheap. In some regions, wealthy inmates can pay a daily fee ranging from $100 to over $1,000 for upgraded accommodations. These costs are often justified as covering additional expenses, but they also raise questions about fairness. For example, California's pay-to-stay jails allow low-risk offenders to pay for private cells, ensuring they avoid the dangers and discomfort of traditional facilities. Critics argue this creates a two-tiered justice system where only the wealthy can escape harsh prison conditions. One of the main arguments for luxury prisons is their focus on rehabilitation rather than punishment. These facilities often offer educational programs. Inmates can earn degrees or vocational certifications. Therapy and counseling, regular sessions to address underlying issues. Skill development, opportunities to learn trades or start businesses. For instance, Sweden's prison system emphasizes preparing inmates for reintegration into society, with structured programs designed to build confidence and independence. Luxury prisons have been the center of several high-profile controversies. Oscar Pistorius, South Africa. The former Paralympic athlete served time in a facility with a private gym and regular family visits, sparking outrage. Silvio Berlusconi, Italy. The former prime minister avoided prison entirely, serving community service in a luxurious retirement home due to his age and status. Such cases highlight how wealth and influence can dramatically alter the justice experience. The existence of luxury prisons often incites public anger. Critics argue that they perpetuate inequality, with the rich effectively buying a better punishment. Some believe these facilities undermine the deterrent effect of incarceration, sending a message that justice can be softened for the right price. Supporters, however, argue that focusing on rehabilitation over punishment benefits society as a whole, reducing recidivism rates and improving public safety. Luxury prisons vary widely across countries. Norway and Sweden lead the way with humane facilities aimed at reforming inmates. United States pay-to-stay programs highlight the divide between wealthy and low-income offenders. South Korea and Japan combine strict discipline with upgraded facilities for certain inmates. Meanwhile, countries with overcrowded and underfunded prisons present a stark contrast, where basic human rights are often neglected. The existence of luxury prisons raises profound ethical questions. Equality before the law. Is justice truly blind if wealth determines the quality of incarceration? Purpose of punishment. Should prisons focus on retribution, rehabilitation, or a balance of both? Social implications. Does this system widen the gap between rich and poor, even in matters of justice? These questions challenge policymakers, activists, and the public to reconsider the role of prisons in society. Some argue that instead of luxury prisons, alternative sentences should be explored for nonviolent offenders. Options include community service, directly benefiting society while serving time; fines and restitution, financial penalties tailored to the crime; electronic monitoring, allowing offenders to live at home under strict surveillance. These solutions aim to balance accountability with practicality, reducing the burden on prison systems while maintaining fairness. A luxury prison for the ultra-rich would offer a blend of indulgence and exclusivity, where comfort and privacy are paramount. Nestled in a secluded, secure location, this high-end facility would resemble a five-star resort more than a traditional penitentiary. Spacious, elegantly furnished suites with panoramic views would replace sterile cells, featuring top-tier amenities such as king-sized beds, personal chefs, private gyms, and expansive outdoor terraces. Residents could enjoy curated experiences such as fine dining, spa treatments, and tailored entertainment, all within the confines of their private quarters or on lush, secure grounds. The prison would provide personal security, ensuring complete privacy, and the freedom to continue business ventures or creative projects, albeit under strict supervision. Despite the lavish surroundings, strict rules would remain, with a focus on rehabilitation, albeit in an environment that caters to the tastes and preferences of the ultra-wealthy. The luxury prisons of the ultra-rich offer a glimpse into a world where money redefines even the harshest realities. Whether you view them as a progressive step toward humane treatment, or a glaring example of inequality, they spark vital conversations about justice, privilege, and morality. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more intriguing content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.